Yo guys, Exo Vlogger here. Today there has been quite a big craze. And that is with these bad boys. Fidget spinners. Yes, the good old fidget spinners. Invented in, I don't know. Wait, let me just go and check that information out. Or should I? Yeah, I should. I'll see when the information's found. So guys, I've just found out Catherine Hessinger made the fidget spinner in 1993, but only recently became viral. Yep, that's right. I love this thing. Whoa! Okay, so I am going to time this fidget spinner and how long it can spin. Okay? Just wait there and I will. Well, yeah, just wait there and I will. Okay? Guys, it turns out I don't have a stopwatch to time this thing. So, I'll be back in a minute once I've timed it, okay? Because I'm going to time it off camera and then I'm going to tell you. Wait, I'm going to see if I can do a trick. Oh! See them. Guys, I just timed it and it goes for 1 minute, 6 seconds, 0.63. Which is pretty impressive for this. But I got it super fast. I might actually spin this on a table in front of you guys. So, yeah, I'm going to do that and then you're going to go. Bye. So, guys, if you see me spinning a white fidget spinner at some point soon on a video or in real life if you see me, it's just because I ordered one and then I got this one somehow. I'm not saying it for privacy reasons, but yeah, please subscribe. Yeah, I'll do that in a minute. You can watch me spin it on a table first if you already haven't seen that. Bye. So guys, we are now currently in my room and I'm about to spin this thing. And there's literally no point on doing that, guys. I've got a load of toys in the background of my room, but I just love this thing. Woohoo. This thing's the coolest. I'm going to try and do that trick I did earlier again. Let's try again. That's awesome. So I might just do my outro here. So guys, please subscribe for another video and more. Please subscribe for more amazing videos by me. Hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye!